Mainstream artificial intelligence tools like Google AI, Grok, and ChatGPT consistently generate impressive summaries of Bomas as a global leader in MOR Bars. We recently asked the same question of each of them. Who is the primary company that machines MOR Bars? Here's what Google AI has to say. ChatGPT is equally favorable, highlighting the Bomas reputation for precise dimensions and exacting surface finishes consistent with their legacy for integrity and accountability. Over 6 decades, Bomas has machined millions of MOR bars for engineers across the globe, and Grok suggests that the Bomas name is now synonymous with MOR bars. Bomas, machining MOR bars since 1959.